Hello world, it is Russell the Revelator from Cloud9. Another video for you. Given the level of deception in this illusionary world of ours, many things we have been taught to believe have turned out to be false. We've been taught since birth we live on a spinning ball, hurtling through space. Here are some scientific reasons why I doubt that is the case. Rivers run down to sea level, finding the easiest course, north, south, east, west, and all other intermediary directions over the earth at the same time. If the earth were truly a spinning ball, then many of these rivers would be impossibly flowing uphill. For example, the Mississippi in its 3,000 miles would have to ascend 11 miles before reaching the Gulf of Mexico. One portion of the Nile River flows for 1,000 miles with a fall of only 1 foot. Parts of the West African Congo, according to the supposed inclination and movement of the ball Earth, would be sometimes running uphill and sometimes down. This would also be the case in Parana, Paraguay, and other long rivers. Number 2. If Earth were a ball 25,000 miles in circumference, as NASA and the modern astronomers claim, spherical trigonometry dictates the surface of all standing water must curve downward an easily measurable 8 inches per square mile multiplied by the square of the distance. This means along a 6-mile channel of standing water, the Earth would dip 6 feet on either end of the central peak. Every time such experiments have been conducted, however, standing water has been proven to be perfectly level. Number 3. If the Earth were truly a sphere 25,000 miles in circumference, airplane pilots would have to constantly correct their altitudes downwards so as to not fly straight off into outer space. A pilot wishing to simply maintain their altitude at a typical cruising speed of 500 miles per hour would have to constantly dip their nose downwards and descend 2,777 feet over half a mile every minute. Otherwise, without compensation, in 1 hour's time, the pilot would find themselves 31.5 miles higher than expected. Number 4. The experiment known as Airy's failure proved that the stars move relative to a stationary Earth and not the other way around. By first filling a telescope with water to slow down the speed of light inside, then calculating the tilt necessary to get the starlight directly down the tube, Airy failed to prove the heliocentric theory since the starlight was already coming in at the correct angle with no change necessary. Instead, he proved the geocentric model correct. Number 5. If the Earth were truly constantly spinning eastwards at over 1,000 miles per hour, vertically fired cannonballs and other projectiles should fall significantly due west. In actual fact, however, when this has been tested, vertically fired cannonballs shoot upwards an average of 14 seconds ascending, 14 seconds descending, and fall back to the ground no more than 2 feet away from the cannon, often directly back into the muzzle. And again, if Earth were truly spinning eastward at over 100 miles an hour, you could jump in the air, and just in the time that you're in the air, the Earth would move about 3 feet underneath you. If the Earth was spinning eastward at 1,000 miles an hour, helicopters and hot air balloons should simply be able to hover over the surface of the Earth and just wait for their destinations to come to them. I just find it funny, man, how true, real, observable science disproves a lot of the pseudosciences. But for us at the Cloud9, I'm Russell the Revelator, telling y'all stay free, stay safe, stay armed. I pray you and your people aren't deceived, never harmed, And for more information, not sponsored by the powers that be, check out the lectures playlist. We gonna get up out of here. Peace. Everything around me is so flawed. Y'all know where I'm going. Y'all Philistines, don't get your facts first. Like you live on a globe, nigga, but I live on a flat earth. Alright, y'all. Stay free, stay safe, stay home. Hope you and your people are never home.